Good day. So we are going to talk about Boolean search and how to do it. But first of all, what is Boolean search? If you have not read the article, of course, let me walk you through it. So Boolean search is a type of search allowing users to combine keywords with operators such as and, not, and or to produce more relevant results. So just like any, mathematical equation, like if, for example, you're going to add 4 to 2, and then whatever the answer is would have to be multiplied by 6. So that would actually look like this. So you have to put 4 plus 2 and then times 6. So Boolean search is a little similar to this, but it has to be words. So let's go to LinkedIn and let's try to search for something. Like if, for example, I'm going to look for an accountant as well as a business owner. So first of all, I would type in accountant. And I need a business owner. So instead of a plus, you would put and. It should be all caps. The operators should be all caps. So we have and, not, or. Those should be all caps. For this search, we need and. So as you can see, going back to the equation, we have a parenthesis there. And since we're looking for a business owner has 2 words. So for you to be able to get the exact word business owner, it has to be in the quotation mark. So business owner. Let's say, for example, some people go by the word entrepreneur instead of business owner. So I would put or entrepreneur. And you have to put the open and close parenthesis, just like with our mathematical equation, because we're looking at business owner or entrepreneur, right? If it's an and, you don't have to put the open and close parenthesis anymore. But for this search, we have to put it there. So let's click on enter or hit on that search button. So here we have entrepreneur and business owner, current entrepreneur and business owner for a news agency. So you might be thinking, why is she in the search? Didn't say that she's an accountant. So let's find out. Let's click on her profile and let's scroll down. So there you see, before she was a financial accountant, she was a management accountant. So going back to adding work, work experience in your LinkedIn profile, the words that you would be using, the keywords that you would be using on your work experience would mean a lot when it comes to searching, because even if your experience as an accountant was way back 1998, it will still be in the search. So you might wanna make a note of that and maximize, of course, the character space and put all of the keywords that you want to go by, so people would be it would be easier for people to see your LinkedIn profile. So I hope that's clear. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you.